The small businesses I do, it gives me, alhamdulillah, a lot of profit. That's the reason I could send, crores of rupees, millions of dollars back to India. It's my hard-earned money. And majority of it, I give to charity. Alhamdulillah. And all the social media platforms, even Peace TV. The Peace TV was started, the company was started from our money, but it was waqf. If I want to commercialize Peace TV, imagine 200 million people watching. And if I say let the normal charges for a monthly subscription for a channel is $5, even if I charge $2, and out of 200 million, even if 2% suppose pay, that is 4 million, multiply by $2, I get $8 million a month, multiply by 12, close to $100 million. And the cost is just a small portion of that. But what am I going to do with this money? This money cannot buy me Jannah. Because the moment I start charging, the viewership will come down to 2%. And now 25% of the viewership are non-Muslims on the Peace TV network. If it comes down to 2%, non-Muslim is watching, what will I do with the money?